Today I'm going to take you through the Smithsonian Natural History Museum scavenger hunt. So when you click into the scavenger hunt, you're going to click to go on a tour of the Natural History Museum right here. And that's going to open up the window, National Museum of Natural History. When you get in here, you can look around. The first thing on the scavenger hunt says, Explore. So I'm going to show you how to move around the museum easily. So as you can see in the top right corner here, there's a ground level, a first level, and a second level. In the scavenger hunt, I put what level everything is on, and I've attached a little hint picture. So if I wanted to look around the first floor, there's two ways you can do it. You can either click the arrows that are on the floor, and if you turn, you just click and drag. So if I wanted to go into the ocean hall, I would click the arrows on the floor. Another thing that is important here is there are plus and minus buttons here. So if I wanted to make it so I can see more of it, I'm going to hit minus. And let's say I want to look at this shell and I want to read about it. I would hit plus until I got all the way in. And then I could tell that this right here is the queen conch shell. This right here is the shin bone tibia, etc., etc. So that's how you zoom in and zoom out. Another quick way that you can navigate is with this map up here. And in this map, if you put your mouse over top of something, it will tell you that this is the ocean hall. This down here is the mammal hall. This is the fossil hall. And then if I wanted to go to the fossil hall, I have to find one of these circles. So do you see where the names pop up when I put my mouse over and it turns to a finger? I'm going to click on one of those circles, and then I can get into the fossil hall. It also puts a check on everything you've seen. So if you were here, it's checked everything that we've seen. Now make sure you spin around every time you get in to see all of the cool stuff. So if I wanted to just walk through the ocean exhibit, I could see the cool forests. I could see all of this, the whole museum, just by navigating on my computer. If I wanted to read about this cool guy right here, I just go, oh, plus, 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 and I could read exactly what it says there. So let's go back to the scavenger hunt. First thing you're going to do is you're going to write three cool things you saw while you were exploring. After that, it's going to say, come back to the first floor and click into the David H. Koch Hall of Fossils, which is the green section. So you'll find the exhibit labeled Spikes and Claws, picture to the left. So there's a little hint picture. Hit the plus button to zoom in really close on the green sign to answer the question. Paleontologists study fossils for clues about. So I would go here, and I would go to the fossils, and I would say, okay, I'm looking for the picture about claws. And you're going to have to spin around in a few different places in order to find it. So, not there yet. So you would keep exploring. And you'd keep walking around and spinning around until you find it. When you find it, you'll come back here. You'll delete that question mark, and you'll type in your answer. Then you'll go on to the next thing. It says, come back to the first floor and click into the mammal hall. So if you want to get rid of this because it's blocking your view, you can exit out. But, oh, look what I found. Spikes versus claws. It's right there. If I wanted to go to the second floor, I just click back on these first, second, third floor. So I'm going to go over to the mammal hall and answer whatever question is there for me. So it's asking about the giraffe. So I'd read my question, look in the museum, answer the question. Got it? All right. If you have any questions, as always, let us know.